What's going on, y'all? Today I'm doing one of my top 10s. Now this is imitation crab. You got to get the good one and you'll have a great dish. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing we need to do, gonna get us some butter down in our pan. And then we're gonna make sure that butter gets all over that pan. Glistening and hot and ready to go, y'all. And then we're gonna get our imitation crab straight into that pan. Once we get it in, we gonna go ahead and give it a quick mix. And then I just had to show you. Now this is the imitation crab that I'm using. You want to use a high quality imitation crab. Now this here is about $8 a pound, but it's so tasty, y'all. It's so tasty. Now after it simmers for a minute, we're gonna hit it with another 2 tablespoons of butter, just because I like that good buttery, creamy taste that butter is gonna bring. And of course, you know we had the rain on it. Had to go ahead and hit it with some salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some white pepper, y'all. Some of that white pepper. I like that white pepper on this because it brings a better flavor. And then we're just going to give it a good mix, just like this, y'all. Get all those flavors combined. And we pretty much done, y'all. We pretty much done. So we gonna go ahead and get this off the plate. Now what we want on top of this is a little bit of tomato. So I got me a little cherry tomato. Diced me up some onions. Threw in a little pork sausage. And of course, I did rain on them onions and them tomatoes with a little bit of salt and pepper. White pepper too, y'all. You want to keep the trend going. So we just gonna break up this sausage until it start looking like this. Nice and brown, ready to go. And then we gonna go ahead and plate up, y'all. We gonna put that right on top of that great, beautiful imitation crab. And let's get us a bite of this, y'all. Now this sausage really brings out extra flavor in that imitation crab. And this imitation crab is so good, y'all. Please don't buy the cheap one. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.